Okie doke, this is Denny with Seattle Pottery Supply, and today we're unboxing a kiln that you just got via freight. As you can see, it comes in this big old box, and we have these straps holding down the stand. We're gonna get these straps taken care of, so you can just use a knife, you could use scissors. They should be pretty easy to just go like this, cut them right off. After you have removed the plastic straps, the next step is to take your stand off, and you're just gonna take it, flip it, and put it in there. For the purposes of our video, I'm just gonna put it right here. The idea is you wanna make sure that your stand is level. We're just gonna start cutting right into the boxes and get that open. And as a note, as I'm cutting this off, if you ever receive one of these and something on this looks damaged, we have a number of things that say, hey, go ahead and don't sign for this if it's damaged, or note the damage that's happened to it. Do me a favor, and if that happens, write down what happened to the box. But otherwise, it looks good. Let's cut into it. Gonna cut into this as well. There it is, box is open, we're ready to look into it. Now we're gonna go ahead and get the protective packaging out of it. Inside, if you ordered anything extra like some clay or glazes, they'll be packed into boxes around your kiln. So you wanna be careful as you're removing it. If you ordered a shelf kit, that'll also be in there. So we're just gonna go ahead and start taking all of this protective packaging out here. We're just gonna set it aside. So as the example, here's one of my boxes. It has all of the operation manual and all of the extra stuff that comes with it. Standard Bartlett V6CF, that's the control manual. We have our peephole plugs for putting into our peephole, and we have a cooling brick that comes with it. I'm just gonna go ahead and set this aside for now. And I wanna get all of this stuff out of here. So you wanna make sure as you're unboxing that you're checking for anything extra that you might have ordered, because it would likely come all together. Here's the fun part. There's not actually a bottom to this box. So now we can kind of just close it back up and just remove the whole thing. Woo! So now this is the point. I like to be very careful if you're gonna use a knife for this. Just kind of gingerly get in here. I don't want to go really hard, because if I go too hard, what I can do is I can actually cut into the kiln and scuff it up, and I don't want to do that. But basically, if you remove the plastic wrap, you'll also first see your get ready to kiln it package that has all of the instructions you need, with cool pictures of me, of course, in there. Your kiln warranty, your first test fire, and how to set up your kiln, which is an important one. We also have a video you can just check out as well. Setting this aside, and let's just keep going. Now we're ready to go ahead and start moving the kiln to its new destination. And we're ready to rock and roll. Grab some cardboard, which I just used the box that we already had to have a place to set this down, so I can disassemble this kiln and assemble it where it's going. We have a video on how to assemble your kiln. You can check out the better instructions. And I'm just gonna be using a power drill with a 1/4 inch bit right here. So first thing we need to do is we need to get this lid off, and we're just gonna remove the pin in the back here. Take out the back part. Very important step, put the little cotter pin back in there so you don't lose it. And then we're just gonna set that aside. We're also going to remove the lid brace bar. Gonna remove that nut, remove the lid brace bar. Another important step, put the nut back on here or you will lose it. Set these aside. Now, I grab the top and the back, move this over. I'm gonna set it down right here. We're gonna build it in reverse. We're gonna put it back on there. Now we have this in here. Use our knife to just kind of cut off the extra plastic. There it is. So now I'm gonna grab it by this handhold and this handhold. I'm gonna lift up. We're just gonna set this on top of here. Nice and gentle. Grab the next one. I'm gonna build it upside down, just like so. Okay, next step. Grabbing the bottom, we're gonna move it over to where our kiln is gonna live. For the 184, what you want to do is you want to make sure that you're kind of lining it up at the diagonals. You can kind of feel it with your hands. Got that set up. Now we're going to build this in reverse. Okay. Line up those holes. Come back with the one that you cotter pinned. And last but not least, we're going to put the lid brace bar back on there. You don't want to go too tight. You want to have it to be able to move. And that's it. Thanks so much, and we hope you enjoy your kilns. If you have any questions, go ahead and give us a call or check out our website, seattlepotterysupply.com.